Hey guys, Max here from the Crypto Experiment. I hope you guys are all doing well. Apologies for the lighting situation today. My lamp blew this morning, so no lamp. So we've got the glare coming down from here, but that's okay. The crypto markets are looking pretty dead still. I think a big move should be happening within the next couple of days at least. Looking at the Bitcoin chart, it looks like we're forming a wedge and coming to the end of it. So it looks like a movement to the upside or to the downside is going to happen. Preferably to the upside, that would be good. It'd be good to start getting things moving again. Of course, there's still a lot of stuff happening in the US with regard to trade, which is screwing the market up a little bit, as you guys know. But that's not going to be a long-term thing. Obviously, as America, Trump has just got into power. A lot of things have been changing. And these trade wars or these tariff wars or whatever you want to call them won't be going on forever. Stuff will settle down eventually. So the market manipulation will settle down. So it's just a short-term thing. Altcoin season is just around the corner, in my delusional brain at least. And so hopefully we can expect some movement quite soon. Just a random video today. I just wanted to cover some random stuff. So and just a general update. So on the general update, the crypto experiment. So our portfolio is pretty tragic still. We're at minus £20,000, 230. So we're actually, you know what? We're actually, the past 3 days, we've been on the move. We've been on the move upwards. I did add some new columns to my table for any of you guys who are interested, and that is just to I put in the 1 day percentage and 7 day percentage, so the current value compared to the current value 1 day ago, and then the current value compared to the current value 7 days ago. So as you can see, Turbo's risen in the past day, but most of them, as you can see, are tragically low. Talent Protocol is the only one that's been up in the past week, so I did those just to be a bit more, just to give a bit more oomph to this graph here, or this table here. But anyway, yeah, that's not great. So we're still about £20,000 in a loss, which isn't amazing. Let's quickly go on and check out some of the news. So again, in America, lots of tariffs going on. There is a lot of bullish news as well. So we'll quickly just scroll down here and check out some of the news. North Carolina introduces a bill to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So that's a lot of states now that have introduced bills for the Bitcoin reserve, which is amazing. We've had Michael Saylor now, after I believe it was a couple weeks of not purchasing any Bitcoin. He has gone in with his new strategy, rebranded company from MicroStrategy. They've just purchased another $742 million worth of Bitcoin, which is fairly large. We've had a lot of stuff going on in Japan as well. They've lifted a ban on Bitcoin ETFs. Metaplanet, which is a Japanese company, I'm not 100% what Metaplanet is, but they have recently adopted Bitcoin and their stock price has skyrocketed as a result of that. And then in the bearish news, or the market manipulation news, we've got Trump to announce 25% tariffs on steel and aluminium. China, we've got the tariffs going on with China. We have tariffs going on with Mexico and with Mexico and Canada. Lots of stuff going on. There have also been talks about putting the entire treasury, all the transaction history, everything onto the blockchain, just to keep the records of transactions hard-coded and legit and easily traceable. So that is a very bullish news as well. As for the charts, Bitcoin, as you know, is just chilling out. We've just been hovering for the past, just for this region in the past week, or 2 weeks, we've just been chopping and churning. Nothing's really been happening. As for trading view, I was drawing a couple little triangles earlier. I do like my triangles. And what we were seeing, you can sort of draw this. I saw Crypto. I don't know if you follow him. He's this German crypto dude, but he actually drew one from going down here. Pardon me. It's more like that. Bosh. So he actually drew one that we're having a bit of a breakout now, which may or may not be happening. But then also, if you draw that across the top of the wicks, I'm going to do that. That was pretty terrible. Then you can see that we've still got a little bit of time. I guess it just depends where you draw the triangles from. How do I... There we go. Yeah, I mean, either way, just looking at these two, it doesn't look like we have much longer before we have some kind of breakout. If this was the true pattern, then maybe we have broken out already. It could be a fake out. Or if it's this one over here, then we've got a couple more days, 13th of Feb. So 3 more days of chopping and churning. And then either we break down to the underneath this support level, or we break above. Which obviously would be more desirable. We shall see what happens though. Again, it's just good to be patient, guys. I know the market is crap. I know your portfolio is probably down. If it's not, then you're a fucking great investor, and props to you. I think the majority of you guys though will probably have portfolios that are in the red. I did release a video the other day talking about how now is the best time, to invest in crypto. If you're not already invested in crypto, if you are, it's probably the best time to DCA. Now, I mean, as we are coming to the end of that wedge, we don't know if we're going to be going to the downside or the upside, so it might be worth holding on just a little bit until we get that confirmation of the move. But yeah, it's just a great time to invest because the market is so bled. Sorry, I've got an itchy nose. The market is so red, and it's been bleeding out so much, and the meme coins have just been completely drained. So if you were to get into meme coins, I did make a video recently, my previous video, on which meme coins are really good ones to invest in at this moment in time, very safe ones, and those are the ones that are on Coinbase. And it's not just meme coins, I mean just altcoins in general. There are many good lower, not low cap, but lower cap utility coins on Coinbase as well. Again, we've had no sign of any alt season yet, so I hope you guys are strapped in and you're ready, because shit will start popping off soon. We've got Ethereum's been very, very much underperforming this cycle, and the chart does look extremely bullish. It looks like it does look incredibly bullish. We need Ethereum to pump up. That will blast up a lot of our tokens and a lot of the altcoins in general, because a lot of them are on the Ethereum network, and similar to Solana, we want Solana to be pumping up a lot as well. But yeah, I mean, that's it, to be honest. I mean, I think that's most of the news that's come in. We've got some more states passing in Bitcoin reserves. But yeah, I think in general, guys, it's just staying patient and just not being too... not getting too attached or too emotional over the markets. If you've got money to DCA, or if you've not invested yet, now's a very good time. Not financial advice, to do some research and invest in some plays. I've been thinking about it a bit more. I think I'm not going to just yet, but it's a very, very good time to invest, because if I just open up my portfolio, most of my crypto are down like a lot. So I mean, I would be bringing my average down massively just by investing like 200 quid in some of them. I would pretty much be like doubling my average, which is kind of nuts. But that just shows you how much the market has just died and why it's such a good time to invest right now. But yeah, that's it, guys. Just a short video today, a short little update. When the market starts picking up again, I'm sure I'll start posting much more frequently. There's just not been too much to post just in my opinion, to post on. I don't know if I could be bringing you guys any value, so I've just not been posting too much. But when stuff starts picking up, which I'm sure it will very soon, we'll be making a lot more content, and we'll be together on the bull market, riding it upwards, and hopefully making some sweet gains, making some max stacks, baby. But yeah, I hope you guys are well. Please do like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this content, or just enjoy my content in general. Please do follow along for the journey, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.